Take charge. You can do it. Home repairs happen. It's a fact of life. Don't let a leaky faucet or loose doorknob make you worry. You can fix these things yourself. It's easier than you think. With a few basic tools and some simple instructions, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Taking on DIY repairs saves you money. Calling a handyman for every little thing gets expensive. Plus, you gain the satisfaction of doing it yourself. It's a great feeling to look at a job well done and say, I did that. Don't be afraid to tackle small repairs around your home. You are more capable than you realize. You'll learn new skills and gain confidence with each successful fix. So, let's get started. Your DIY toolkit, the essentials. Every DIYer needs a few basic tools to get started. Don't worry, you don't need a garage full of expensive equipment. A few well-chosen items will cover most common repairs. First, get yourself a sturdy hammer. This is essential for hammering nails and removing them too. Next, you'll need a set of screwdrivers. Get both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers in various sizes. A tape measure is crucial for accurate measurements. Make sure it's at least 16 feet long. A pair of pliers is indispensable for gripping, twisting, and cutting wires. Finally, a utility knife is perfect for cutting drywall, carpet, and more. These basic tools will equip you to tackle a wide range of home repairs. Quick fixes for common problems. Let's dive into some common home repairs with simple step-by-step instructions. Leaky faucet. Turn off the water supply under the sink. Use a screwdriver to remove the handles. Replace the cartridge with a new one. Loose doorknob. Tighten the screws on the doorknob. Running toilet. Replace the worn-out flapper valve. Reconnect the chain and turn the water supply back on. These are just a few examples of quick and easy DIY home repairs. Section 4. The rewards of DIY. Save money, build pride. DIY home repairs offer numerous benefits. The most obvious is cost savings. Hiring a professional for every repair can drain your bank account. By doing it yourself, you'll save money on labor costs. Plus, you'll gain valuable skills and knowledge that can save you even more money in the long run. Beyond the financial benefits, there's a sense of accomplishment and pride that comes with fixing things yourself. It's empowering to know that you have the skills to take care of your own home. You'll gain confidence with each successful repair. DIY repairs also allow you to personalize your living space. You can choose the materials, colors, and styles that suit your taste and budget. This level of control is often missing when you rely on outside contractors. Section 5. Go forth and fix. You've got this. Don't be intimidated by home repairs. With a little knowledge and the right tools, you can handle many common problems yourself. Start with small, manageable projects and gradually work your way up to more challenging repairs. Remember, the internet is your friend. Countless resources are available online, including videos, articles, and forums dedicated to DIY home improvement. Don't hesitate to seek advice from experts at your local hardware store. Most importantly, believe in yourself. You have the ability to learn new skills and tackle home repairs with confidence. So go forth and fix. Your home will thank you for it.